Hello Lavish babes, welcome back to another video. My name is Simone, and here on my channel I will be talking about all things related to finances, that is budgeting, debt management, sprinkled with a little bit of investment, as well as saving those coins in order to create generational wealth. So in today's video, I will be doing my second cash stuff-in for the month of March. Let's just count our money to make sure we have the right designated amount. 20, 40, 60, 80. So that's $80. Again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. $5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I think I messed up. I knew I forgot something. That's why we count, to make sure. Let's do that again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So that gives us $205. I am going to start off with my cash envelopes. Groceries will be getting $60. So 20, 20, 40, and 60. And I am putting a small amount in groceries because I believe we have 2 weeks and a few days left in the month of March, and I think the $60 will carry me over. If you watched my grocery haul, you'll know that I did go over my grocery budget substantially, or maybe not that much, but I did go over nonetheless. So I did stock up on quite a few things. So this $60 will be designated to buy just fresh produce. So groceries is done. Miscellaneous will be getting $10. And you know what, guys, I have to be super transparent with you. A lot of the envelopes, such as like miscellaneous, personal care, entertainment, not baby, but these 3 envelopes that I've been stuffing, sometimes they go towards my grocery bill because I'm stocked up on personal care stuff, and we've been doing a lot of at-home entertainment, and that goes towards the grocery bills because that includes like movie nights and stuff like that. So it's a lot of stay-at-home entertainment. So majority of these envelope funds go towards my grocery bills. I just wanted to let you guys know that. So miscellaneous is all done. Gas, which I've been taking my son, I have my gas receipt in here. I've been taking my son to his basketball game, so that has made my gas bill gone up quite a bit. The month is not over as yet, and I've already spent, I believe, $120 in gas so far, and we still have a few more weeks left in the month, so that my gas budget is a little bit wonky for the month of March, but nonetheless, I will be putting $25 into gas, and hopefully this helps me out for the rest of the month. So far, I have a little over half a tank of gas in my car, so hopefully this $25 will help me out for the rest of the month. So entertainment will not be getting stuff. Come spring and summertime, when the weather gets super nice, I will be doing a little bit more outside stuff, but entertainment will not be getting stuffed. Personal care will not be getting stuff, and baby's envelope will not be getting stuff. One, because I have an abundance of diapers. I always stock up. I never really wait until I run out of everything completely. I just kind of stock up and add stuff to my stockpile. So baby has diapers, formulas, all of his little snack stuff, all taken care of. And if I do need anything by chance, I will go into my buffer, which I leave in my bank. I do leave some money left over in my bank. If you watch my budgeting video, you will see how I kind of allocate my funds. So my cash envelopes are all done, and I did make new cash envelopes with the hole punch. I did order a new binder from Amazon. I'm just waiting for that to come because it doesn't quite fit into my wallet nicely like I would like it to. So I'm just gonna put these over here for now. So first up is rainy day, and I did kind of embellish my binders a little bit. I got this new little thingamajig. I think it's cute. It's a little rainbow. And then I made this dashboard, and it just says rainy day sinking funds on there. I am going to let you know right off the bat that not all of these envelopes will be stuffed. I am just going to stuff as many as I can. I made my budget, but things didn't go according to plan, but we're just going to work with what we have. So emergency is not getting stuffed. 3 to 6 months, not getting stuffed. My envelope will be getting $10. So I now have 20, 40, 50, 60. So Malachi's envelope will be getting $10 as well. Malachi now has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. Okay, Michaela's envelope will be getting $10 as well. Michaela now has 10, 20, 30, 35, and 40. Urel's envelope will be getting $10. Urel now has 10, 20, 30, 40. Summer's envelope will be getting $10 as well. Summer now has 10, 20, 30, 40. Move-in will be getting $5. Move-in now has 10, 20, 25, 30. Furnitures will be getting $5. Okay. Furniture now has 10, 20, 25, and 30. Car insurance will be getting $5. Car insurance now has $10, $20, $30, and $35. And I know I'm not being super chatty, just because some cash stuff in videos won't be super chatty, and that's okay. Debt will be getting $5. Debt now has 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. Costco will be getting $5. Costco now has 5, 10, 15, 20. And I really like how I'm just stuffing small amounts into my cash envelopes, but it's adding up nicely. Investments will not be getting stuffed. School will not be getting stuffed, and 1 month ahead will not be getting stuffed. And whatever I don't stuff this time around, I will try my best to make sure they get stuffed in like following videos. But if you recall, these 3 envelopes got added at the last minute, so I really just squeezed them into the budget because I made my budget before I added these envelopes. So I just kind of added what I could the first time around. So for April, I will work them into the budget a lot better. So rainy day funds are all done. Next up, I have my high priority binder. Isn't this cacti so cute? It's just the cutest. I love it. How are we gonna set him? Okay, we'll do him like that. All right, so our home will be getting $5. And what I did for these envelopes, I actually made some trackers for them. I just found that it works out a lot better. And if you are interested in any of the trackers that you see in this envelope, you can check out my Etsy shop, because I have been working diligently in the background to put my Etsy shop together, and I did. So if you want any of these trackers, you can hit up my Etsy shop for it. Yeah. So our home is getting $5. So our home now has 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. And I kind of made each of the tracker images worth $50. So when I get to the 50, I will color in a house. So I'm halfway there. Household will be getting $5. So household now has 5, 10, 15, and 20. And each tracker is worth 20. So I can go ahead and color in one of the pictures. And I thought of making trackers because I thought it would be a little bit more fun as opposed to just writing in the dollar amount. maintenance is not getting stuffed. Medical will be getting $5. So medical now has 5, 10, 15, 20. So I went ahead and colored in one already. So I've reached the $10 mark for the other one. So now I've colored in 2. 2 of my trackers, sorry. And kind of retirement will be getting $5. Retirement now has 5, 10, 15, and 20. So I can color in another tracker for retirement. Birthday will be getting, oh my gosh, I made a mistake. Or did I? No, it's okay. So birthday will be getting $15. Birthday now has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. So, let me see. I have, each of them are worth 20, so 20 there, and another 20. I could actually color in one more tracker. Alrighty. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like the content that you see so far. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.